Hey there, future HR leaders. Study in the ABMA Level 5 Diploma in Human Resource Management. You're exactly where you need to be. Our today's question comes from Employee Engagement. Question on your screen. Describe 2 potential advantages of employee engagement to employees. 6 marks. The 2 potential advantages of employee engagement to employees are job satisfaction and career growth. To begin with, job satisfaction. Engaged employees enjoy their work because they feel connected to it. This makes them happier at their jobs. For example, a teacher who feels engaged at a school enjoys teaching students, leading to a more fulfilling workday. Finally, career growth. Engagement often leads to opportunities for training or promotions. This helps employees improve their skills. For instance, an engaged bank teller at Standard Bank of Malawi might get training to become a manager, advancing their career. If this was useful, smash that like button and subscribe for the full series. We're covering every unit step by step. Tell me in the comments, what's your next exam date or which topic do you want covered sooner? Thanks so much for spending this time with me. You're investing in your future, and that's huge. Take care, keep going strong, and I'll catch you in the next one.